Hey guys, this is how I usually do my makeup for when I'm headed to a shoot. If you think you might be interested, please keep watching. So I start my makeup by applying primer on my face and just blend it using the most organic tool you can have. Oh yes, my hands. Medium coverage works for me, so I usually use BB cream instead of a foundation. Currently, I'm using BB cream by Maybelline, and to blend it, I'm using this amazing blending brush by Colorbar. I apply concealer after I apply my BB cream as it gives better coverage, plus it requires less of a quantity. I just love this concealer, it gets blended very smoothly. Using the same blending brush and a beauty blender to blend it all. Using MyGlamm fixing powder to fix my under eyes and wherever I have used concealer. I'm using this product for the very first time. MyGlamm people were very kind to send out a few products to me, and honestly I am in love with all of them. While I'm gonna wait to dust off the extra loose powder, I'm just quickly gonna fix my brows using this amazing product again by MyGlamm. It has brow powder on one side and liquid eyeliner on the other. Dusting off the extra loose powder, now I'm just gonna apply compact, and it's by Lotus. I am doing my eyes using this pink glittery eyeshadow and blush by Maybelline. I broke its lid though. Using the same eyeliner that I just told you about, I love this because its brush is quite stiff, which makes it very easy to apply it, plus it's a quick dry. Totally recommend this one. This mascara combo by Wet n Wild is just amazing. These fibers gives very voluminous look to the lashes. It actually looks like I have applied falsies. To go with the pink eyeshadow, I am using this pink lip liner as kajal. It gives a completely different feel to the whole look. Now to contour my face, I use this palette by Makeup Revolution. Honestly, I still don't know if I do it right, but I just like what I do, so never mind. A little bit on the jawline. Now using the same blush that I used for my eyes, And here comes our favorite part, the highlighter. By the way, this fan brush is from Shein and is super amazing. A little bit to highlight my upper lip, and ta-da! For my lips, I'm using this Perfect Curves lipstick by MyGlamm. And ta-da! I'm ready to go. So I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also hit the bell notification button so that every time I post a new video you will know. Also leave some video ideas down below in the comment section. I would really love to film that for you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.